ghats or water mills basically. Like if you look up all the way up the stream, there are like 6 or 7 of them, and the villagers still use them like on a regular basis to grind up corn and wheat, and all of them are connected by these logs which have been hollowed out, so the water is flowing down from one level to the next to the next to the next, and it's all like without electricity, just with the force of water. Pretty cool, right? Like ancient innovations.
Okay guys, so we are going towards the western side of this entire area to a place called Bhanogi Thana, also called Devgarh. There's a temple called Devgarh up there. Basically the idea is to get to a point high enough to see the entire region, you know, because there's so many clusters of villages out here, and yeah, it's a bit of a climb, but I know the sunset's going to be amazing.
This last bit is just like 5 steps like this, 5 steps like this, like this, like this. It's quite a steep incline, hence.
Chasing sunsets, that's what we do. That's what our job profile is. Check out this home. This is your classic Himachal color tone. Red and green. 50 more, no, 10 more steps. You can do it. We got a David Goggins hit over here. You guys know David Goggins? If you don't, you should. Stay hard. Here we are at the end, guys, on top of the world. Whew. Non-stop. Namaste ji, kya chal? That's the temple, guys. घास सुखा रहे हैं आप यहाँ पे, अच्छा.
Stunning.
I know, look at the view. Wow.
Stunning.
Stunning, huh?
It's stunning.
What the?
It's so nice to be so high up.
Yeah. This valley is out of the world, man. Like I never thought this would be so beautiful. Like, you know, I've been to so many places around Kullu, Manali, and you know, just all these valleys around here, but I haven't seen a place like Deori, dude. Like it's so, like the flatness of it on top of the mountain, it's, you have to see it to believe it. Like I'm not even exaggerating. This place is so beautiful, and it's just 3 hours from Manali, just about 7 kilometers up from Sanj. But this is not the end of Sanj Valley. Sanj Valley goes deeper, and we're going to go there tomorrow. So let's just say to be continued. So yesterday we decided that we'll make Deori our base, because we really like this homestay where we're staying right now. The family is so warm, and Naval was really excited to come along with us and show us around Sanj. So we were like, why not just make this the base, and we'll go around in and out to these 3 different temples that we really wanted to go to. Really iconic temples of Sanj Valley. So today is going to be a big driving day, and tomorrow is another day.
और हमारे साथ आज सभी फैमिली के कुछ लोग आए हैं हमारे साथ आज.
हेलो,
आपका नाम?
मौली राजपूत.
और आपके बगल में कौन बैठे हैं?
मेरे बगल में मेरी भाभी जी, मिसिज अंजलि सिंह.
Okay guys, so here we are. Can you see these 2 fort-like structures? Really tall, about like 3-4 stories high, I guess. And we actually spotted this from Deori village, which is right on the opposite mountain. We're like, we gotta visit this place, man.
हाँ, ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है इसका जो अगर इतिहास हम देखें तो कहते हैं ठाकुरों का एक ज़माना था. तो ठाकुरों के ज़माने का बना हुआ है. इसको यहाँ लोकल भाषा में हम कहते हैं दलियारा कोठी.
टाइट नहीं
पहले लोग रहते थे ना यहाँ।
थोड़ा सा डर रहता है ना, खतरा रहता है हमें ये ऐसा
कोई बात नहीं।
गिरना।
अगर इसकी जो बनावट को अगर देखें ना, इसकी जो बनावट है वो ये जो खिड़कियाँ इसकी बनी हैं, ये बाहर से बिल्कुल तंग है, यूँ अंदर से चौड़ी है, पूरा आदमी अंदर बैठ सकता है। उससे अनुमान लगता है कि भाई ये पहले गढ़ माने जाते, गढ़ हुआ करते थे ना यहाँ, तो ये लड़ाई के मकसद से भी शायद बने होंगे ये। मतलब वैसे तो और भी इसका उदाहरण है, क्योंकि देवी देवताओं का रहने का निवास भी है। थोड़ा हाइट इसलिए भी दिया गया है कि भाई सुरक्षा भी ऊपर से है, ताकि दुश्मन को नीचे बाहर करें। तो इस तरह का है मॉडल जो इसको देखने से लगता है। अंदर इसके अंदर कमरे हैं, लोग रहते हैं इसमें। तो लोग रहते थे ना नीचे वाली में, ऊपर वाली जो है इस पे देवता रहता है, इसमें लोग नहीं रहे हैं। लेकिन यहाँ का मानना ये कि आज दो हैं ये, कि ऐसे ऐसे चार थे, इसी जगह चार कोठियाँ थी। वो दो तो धाराशाही हो गए, बंद ही हो गए, लेकिन ये दो बची हैं। ये भी कहते हैं कि हाफ है, इसके ऊपर इतने और थे कहते हैं। और एक ही दरवाज़ा था, उसको कहते हैं प्रौढ़। तो वो प्रौढ़ एक ही थी अंदर। अगर उसको गेट को बंद कर दिया जाए, मैंने गेट है उसको बंद कर दिया जाए, तो चारों कोठियों बंद हो जाती थी, सील हो जाती थी एक से ये। और एक से दूसरे में जाने के लिए कहते हैं पुल लगे हुए थे। ये जनश्रुति है यहाँ की। ये जो कुल्लू का जो पुराना कल्चर है, उस कल्चर को संरक्षण के लिए, उसको संवर्धन के लिए, उसके प्रसार के लिए एक डॉक्यूमेंट।
It's really cool because they've got these musicians over here to sing you some of the local songs based on the seasons, and it's actually on Facebook Live right now. And I think it's a really cool initiative by the government to have this kind of an event in this kind of a setting, to maintain, like, to keep the culture strong and, like, you know, introduce it to a younger generation who's now, like, got the internet in their hands. And yeah, it's amazing. I'm actually really very pleasantly surprised by it.
दोबारा बोला तो बोला 3 है बड़ा तो इकट्ठे ते बरे रिकॉर्डिंग हम भी ते भेजना साहब।
Here we are in the most iconic place of Sanj Valley. Like, if you Google Sanj, this is what you're gonna see. These beautiful meadows of Shangan. And the road up here is quite bad. Like, they've recently made a road to this village, so it's not fully metal yet, but totally worth it, because look at this. Like, you feel like you're in Kashmir or in Khajiar or somewhere like that. Like, you have such a nice flat ground right on top of the mountain. And there's also a really important temple over here, which I've again only seen online, and it looks so stunning. Like, the carving and everything looks so stunning. I can't wait to go see it and then have a nice picnic on this ground and just chill.
हेलो, आप कहाँ जा रहे हो दी? पेरिस। हम भाभी जी कहाँ जा रहे हो आप? पेरिस जा रहे हैं हम। पेरिस की, और वो देखिए छोटा पेरिस।
हाँ जी, वहाँ पे क्या देखने को मिलता है?
वहाँ पर पता नहीं है, मैं पहली बार जा रही हूँ।
So apparently this gentleman who's called us right now is really well known, because he's there in all your iconic pictures of Shangan. And anytime anyone comes, he'll tell them, come, click a picture with me, I'm famous.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. आपके लिए मुबारक हो। आपके मनोकामना सब की पूरी हो जाएगी। आप निश्चिंत रहो। हाँ, ठीक है।
यही तो है लाइफ। लुक एट हिम, लुक एट हिम। और क्या चाहिए? रिलैक्स होके बैठ के सनसेट देख रहे हैं मेडोज में, और क्या चाहिए? What's really cool is that, you know, like I really love the fact that they've taken the traditional Himachali architecture and amped it, like fully amped it, and like made this really grand temple. Like I really don't think I've seen a new temple which is like more
Opulent.
what would you say? Yeah, exactly, opulent than this. Like it's just stunning. Like you can spend hours looking at the carvings. It's so beautiful. But the only bummer is like these houses that are enclosing it completely.
I know, because the main entrance is so nice.
Right, and like the main facade of the building itself is completely blocked by another building in front. But I understand like this house that is surrounding belongs to the caretakers of the temple and the pujari of the temple, and I think they need to be in proximity to the main structure itself, and hence it is the way it is. But I just wish someone had done a little bit of planning. And yeah, like because you can see the back wall now and the front wall, which is so incredibly magnificent, like is just like, yeah, it's the limelight is kind of stolen from it, don't you feel?
Okay, so these guys really wanted to bring us to like a waterfall. We all like waterfalls, and they have this secret little place out here. This is like a secret spot that they have in Sains Valley, and I was almost ready to go to bed when these guys are like, no, you gotta check this place out, and now I can see why. What can I say? I really wanted to travel, man, after about 6 to 7 months, and finally I found a whole bunch of cool, nice little locals. And if you can come here or anywhere in Himachal, find yourself a nice local to travel with, trust me, that's the way to do it. Anyways, see you next time, and